Hello friends, welcome to today's video. My schedule is completely thrown off with putting up videos because yesterday was Christmas, today is Boxing Day, which is a thing in Canada and I believe in the UK, not a thing in the US, but Boxing Day is also a stat holiday here. It's the day after Christmas. There tends to be Boxing Day sales. I don't know what the origins are, maybe boxing up your stuff to go home the day after Christmas, I don't know, but it's Boxing Day. So I received my Ipsy package a couple days before Christmas. I just didn't have time to sit down and film. I was wrapping presents, I was doing baking, I had my family coming into town. I had a great couple of days over Christmas, just lovely seeing everybody, enjoying their company, just having a good merry time. And now it's the day after Christmas and why not open a little present to myself? I also thought I would get dressed up for this video and do my hair, and I was like, nah, it's the day after Christmas. I'm going to wear my new Victoria's Secret pajamas that I was gifted and just let my hair air dry so that it's casual. Throw on some makeup, but otherwise, this is my day today. I slept in, I went down to the gym for a little bit, I came back up and re-put on my pajamas and made myself a pot of coffee and been watching YouTube videos, and now I'm gonna open my Ipsy. So, whew, fan myself a little bit there. Let's open it. I have not been spoiled by this at all. I don't think I know anything that's in here. Although now I feel like you choose items, but I have such a short memory of what I've chosen, it ends up surprising me anyway. So, whoop, ooh, that's shiny. Ooh, okay, I see the first thing already. I have masks from Glam Up. I have a refreshing peppermint skin clarifying sheet mask. Just do that. And then on the other side, I have a firming pomegranate strengthened skin barrier sheet mask. That's awesome. It's actually been a little while since I've gotten masks in my bag, so I am looking forward to this. We can maybe do a mask with me together. Can I tell you guys the cutest thing? So after I did my declutters that I did when I was moving to my new place, I had a whole bunch of eyeshadow palettes that I was decluttering. Now obviously for some things like mascaras or lipsticks or eyeliners, I'm not going to pass those on to anybody else. Those unfortunately kind of get thrown away. But for other products like some skincare products or eyeshadow palettes or powder products, I sort of reached out to see who would want them. So I gave a bunch to my sister. She was going to see what she wanted from them, but then she also works with some women's crisis organizations, so she can also pass things on. But at Christmas, she has two little girls, and I guess they got to pick out some of the palettes because my sister opened a present to her from her youngest daughter, and she opened it and I was like, that looks familiar. That's an Ipsy bag. And then my sister pulled out of it two palettes that my young niece had chosen from the ones that I passed on to then gift to my sister for Christmas, which my sister knew. It was very cute. And my niece chose like the most colorful, crazy eyeshadow palettes because of course those are the most fun. Why would you not choose those? Anyway, let's get on to this. So we have here, it's just a very simple, like faux, it's not even faux leather. That's not what leather looks like. It's a silver bag. It's very plasticky feeling, but it has sort of that texture to it. It's fine. I like that the details on here are forest green. I tend to end up passing these on like to my nieces because I don't need this many makeup bags. Although they did come in handy when I was packing to move because I was able to pack stuff into them. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside because that's the card. So let's see. This feels like maybe a powder product. What do we got here? Ooh, it's from Tarte. Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. Okay, so this is going to be one that I probably pass along because I have the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer palette, which I love, I enjoy, but I assume that the shade that is in here, I'm not going to touch it, I'm just going to open it. Yeah, is the same as one of the colors that's there. And I think this is actually the most neutral toned one, which is lovely. Whenever you see me, I don't have any bronzer on today, but when you do see me and I have more bronzer on, it's this shade that I'm using. So that will get passed on to a good home. It's not so exciting for me, but only because I have tried it before and I love it. So what is next? This feels like maybe a lip product, maybe? Ooh, okay, no, it's mascara. That's awesome. So this is from Thrive Cosmetics, but cause is spelled as in like a good cause. This is the Orchid Stem Cell Complex Liquid Lush Extensions Mascara. It's a length and volume mascara. I always love their things. Like, that's their before and after, but it's like, really, I feel like the after also has, like, you know, dark eyeshadow on and a lot of other stuff going on. But okay, so this says beauty with a purpose. For every product purchased, one is donated to help women thrive. What else we got here? Developed with orchid stem cell complex and flake-free liquid fiber technology. It is vegan, it is cruelty-free, and it is paraben-free, and it's a liquid lash extension mascara. I wonder, it doesn't say it's a tubing one, so I'm gonna assume it's not, but it's in the shade Bryn, which is a rich black. So that's awesome. I always like trying out mascaras, and I like trying out things from brands that I have not heard of before because I get to know new brands. So I am looking forward to testing that out. What do we got next? Two more things. One is like a spray bottle and one is maybe a lip product. Let's look at the spray bottle first. What do we got? Okay, this is from a company called Pure Brazilian. It's a leave-in conditioner with keratin. Color safe for gorgeous, silky, smooth hair. I need my hair to be a little silkier. My hair is color treated, and I know I am in need of a cut and color. I actually tried calling this morning to maybe see if the salon was open. It's not, but I think I'm gonna book that for like just after New Year's because I'm not gonna try to get in ahead of the New Year's crowd. Maybe for like the weekend of like January 4th, something like that. So I have like about a week and a half of like really sort of bad regrowth going on, but then I'll be back to being my sort of brighter redhead look. And this is actually, I've covered the gray up a bit. I've talked about this before. I will often use a brown eyeshadow just to tap onto my regrowth to help it blend a little bit more. Just a little tip for you. But anything that adds moisture and conditioning to my hair, because not only is it color treated, I tend to heat style it. It needs some conditioning and some love a lot of the time. So I'm happy to use this. This has very tiny type on the back, but let me just show you what the bottle looks like. There you go. Pure Brazilian Miracle. I'll just actually, it's a leave-in conditioner I can do. Oh, that smells delightful. It almost smells like sunblock, which is probably like a coconutty thing, but I'll just put a little on there. And that smells really nice. Although the smell actually dissipates really quickly, which is also good. Last product. What do you think? Is it a lip product? It's in a little boxy box. Who is it from? Jolly. Never heard of them. It's spelled Jolii. Here we go. Luxe Cream Mattes, or creme, because it has an accent there. Born in NYC, I think is the color. Yeah, that's kind of all it says, but let's see what this is. Ooh, okay. It is, seems to pull a little purple, which is interesting, but it's a pretty bottle. It's like frosted glass with the gold. I don't know why I'm telling you this. You can see what it looks like. Okay, but it pulls a little plum. It has no scent to it whatsoever. It's a cream matte, so I'm assuming that it's not gonna like dry down, which I would really enjoy. I don't really like the liquid lipsticks that dry down. I just find they're just a little too fussy for me and drying. But that's great. I can try that out. I can research the brand. I can find out more about them, which I love doing. So let's take a look at the card and see. I would say, like, let's pretend that I didn't already have the Park Avenue Princess palette. I would be super excited about this box because I love masks, I love mascaras, I like getting lip products, the hair stuff is always good, and that is a super good bronzer. It's just that I have it already, but I love it. So overall, this is a really good bag. Let's take a look at the card. So the theme is Shine On, Sparkle, Shimmer, and Shine. This month, let's clink glasses to a year full of diving in, bearing all, and finding your light. It's time to celebrate how far you've come. 'Tis the season to treat yourself, and your 5 glam bag products are here just for you. So is there anything here that I don't know about? Let's see. The Pure Brazilian Leave-In Conditioner. From flyaways to split ends, cold, dry weather can make your hair harder to manage, and if you're dealing with damage from heat styling or dyes, totally am. This keratin-infused leave-in is for you. Use it to help rebuild broken bonds in your hair shaft for stronger, shinier, smoother, and all-around healthier hair. And a tip is that before hitting the gym, add this to your hair and tie it up in a bun. As you sweat, the heat from your head will intensify the conditioner's effect, making it great on-the-go deep treatment. That's actually kind of cool. Another thing I will say that I have done before, if you are doing a deep conditioning treatment for your hair, the kind that you more put in, it's a thick cream and then you end up rinsing it out. One thing you can do is go in the shower, shampoo, rinse that out, put the, squeeze out your hair to get as much water as you can out of it, put the conditioner in, then get out of the shower, put your hair up, wrap some saran wrap, or it's even better if you have like a reusable like plastic shower cap, and then wrap a towel around your head, because your body heat and the towel heat will heat up under there and trap the heat in, and it again will help the conditioner penetrate your hair a little bit more. You can go around, do whatever for like 10-15 minutes, and it really helps the conditioner have more of a penetrating conditioning effect. The Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions mascara. It is a curling, lengthening mascara formula. It does exactly what it says. A single swipe made our lashes look like extensions. How? Clump-free fibers coat each lash for instant volume, while the brand's Orchid Stem Cell Complex boosts growth over time for naturally long lashes. So it is a tubing formula. I have not used a tubing formula before. That's interesting. It comes off with just a little bit of cleanser and water, and I've seen people remove it before. It creates little tubes around your lashes, and then it just sort of swipes off. It's supposed to be very easy to remove. I am so curious about that. That's awesome. The Jolie Cosmetics Luxe Creme Matte in Lavanda. Okay, so that's the color, which makes sense. It's kind of a lavender. Maybe the perfect liquid lip color for creating a party-ready beauty look in a pinch. It's an ultra creamy liquid that keeps your lips healthy thanks to moisturizing shea butter and jojoba oil. Plus the velvety violet color is surprisingly versatile, super smooth, and long-lasting. After filling in your lips with color, use a small brush dipped in concealer to clean up any stray marks around your lips. I never do that. I don't have the kind of dexterity to do that. The masks relax and refresh with a set of 2 masks. The first boosts your glow and protects your skin. The second purifies pores and refreshes your face with a cooling minty effect. Awesome. And then it just says that the Amazonian Clay Park Avenue Princess Bronzer is to get a midsummer glow in the middle of winter. Always on trend brand Tarte, made with clarifying, brightening, and soothing Amazonian clay, goes on silky smooth, blends easily without streaks, and it's a long wear formula, which is totally true. It is an awesome formula. Most Tarte blushes, bronzers, they're really good. Awesome. So this was a really good bag. The January sneak peek says top tier brands and products you'll obsess over, new opportunities to connect with like-minded beauty enthusiasts. So I guess they're going to try to make more of a community aspect, and enhanced personalization and ways to make your bag more you. I think I've already chosen my January choosing product. Choice of product, there was a better way of saying that. Yeah, so I am excited about this bag. Couple things I want to test out, especially the mascara, and I think it'll also be fun to use the masks. I always enjoy testing out skincare products. Thank you so much for joining me today. I don't know why I seem super upbeat. I think I'm just like high on Christmas and like have a day of like relaxation ahead of me, and I'm gonna go get back to my coffee, edit this video, and just post it as soon as it's done, which is probably gonna be, I don't know, in like an hour or so. It's currently 11:30, early afternoon. I'm saying that like you're gonna be watching this right when I post it. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.